So the plan at the minute is I'm just going to take dirt from anywhere I can and just run it to the sluice box. So this is the first place I'm going to test. We have a slight problem. See the way it's packing up? So it either needs more water flow or more drop. Yeah, it's working fine now. All it was, the legs need to be lowered. Gonna run through the rest of this bucket and I'll see you at the next digging spot. Yes, we're on the gold! Yahoo! Okay, clean out is done. There's one piece of gold. If you can go where other people cannot be bothered, then you'll find gold. And that's what we're doing today. Oh, wow. I've only ever looked at this from aerial shots. Never seen it in reality. Wow, this is cool. Okay, so we've got a nice little boulder here. So I have this little mini pry bar, just scraping into the cracks in here. This is going to be a very quick pan. Nice dark material there. Oh, hang on. Flashed me pan there. Oh, gold! Oh, yes! I'm here in an absolutely amazing river to find gold, and along the way I'll set up the camera and you get to see the process. There we go. Nice gravel there. Right, so the bucket's 3/4 full there. We might as well go and sluice it. Okay, so you can see I have the bucket set up there, and I also have the auto feeder sitting up on top. But just see how it goes. And again, I'm not going to bend down. So the hope would be when I get this dialed in properly, the bucket. No, my glasses! No, come back here, you. That's the second time your sunglasses have fell off. Right, so this is about 6.5 buckets of ½ inch. So with this particular sluice box you do get quite a lot of cons. Okay. So we're slowly getting down to the heavy stuff. Are we on any gold at all? Right, so there's the gold from today. I think it's time to move on. Very disappointing. We found maybe 2 or 3 pieces of gold. This is normally where I'd run a sluice, and there's no way it's going to run in this level of water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my own drop further downstream. Right, that's one bucket. Built up a layer of clay. So you can see there the sluice is running fine. Right, there's one full shovel. You can see there where it's working absolutely fine with 1/4 inch. Right, I'm gonna crack on. I've only got 4 hours here. Okay, we ran one full bucket, full to the line. There's our buckets. How to count them. I set this up just simply to do a slow-mo shot, and just as I was feeding the box, we've got our first piece of gold. Get in! Right, so this is all the material from the sluice. It's all 1/4 inch. Washing off the front riffle. Oh, my heart, I thought that was a nugget. Okay, let's have a look here. A lot of ironstone, which is good. Oh, look at that. Now that's getting better. I don't think I will take my camera off my head in a second, but I don't think you desperately need more gold. Look at this. Oh, I wish I had more time. I think I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow. Yeah, not too bad at all. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start filling up this bucket here. What I tend to find is I work the gravels to sit on top of the clay. I don't necessarily work the clay itself. Okay, so we're doing sluice box now. Might actually be running a little bit too fast. It does take a little bit of work to get sluices dialed in. I think what it needs is more drop. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Now that's sped it up. Now it's moving a lot faster. Ah, yeah, that's what we want. So you can see here the rate at which I'm able to put material through. I think there might be more in there as well. We're going to run bottom of the bucket. This gives us a good indication as to whether we're still on the gold. Not a whole lot of material to work down. So hopefully something nice and shiny. Yes. we're still on the gold. That's good. Right, so I've run about 6 buckets out thereabouts. So what I'm going to do now is going to clean out the box. So to clean this sluice, like any other sluice, very straightforward. So what you want to do, very first thing, is take this end out of the water. So you stop any water coming through, and we lift up. Oh, look at that. Happy birthday to me. Look at that. Just looking at this as an example. Yeah, this is going to be good. Make sure everything's fully stratified. If ever you see gold showing up the corner, all you do is kick it back and just stratify again. Bring it to the front. Let's have a look here and see what we have. Oh, I'd call that a good gold day. I'll take that any day. Yeah. For 6 hours of panning, or sorry, not 6 hours, for 6 buckets of panning, that is not too bad. I ain't gonna complain.